Welcome to the NeuClix Tactical Reactor Digital Operations Command. This video presents an executive viability study and pilot deployment plan for Laundry Zone and enamored cleaning. Laundry Zone, with 3 locations and 24/7 operations, faces vulnerabilities like overnight security risks and machine issues. Enamored Cleaning, with over 400 commercial accounts, lacks reliable verification for cleaning crews. The toll is a manual hub, leading to reactive management across both businesses. This is the passive management vulnerability. Passive security uses high-end cameras that only show what already happened, forcing reactive cleanup. Passive accountability relies on blind trust, leading to missed service and reputation damage. You cannot manage a 24/7 distributed empire by looking in the rearview mirror. We are deploying the Digital Operations Commander in 2 layers. Layer 1 is the Tactical Reactor, or Cloud AI, providing business intelligence and centralized communication. Layer 2 is the Edge Tactical Reactor, or Local AI, processing 5G feeds instantly and functioning even without internet. This replaces reactive scrambling with proactive, automated oversight. The Edge Advantage offers instant, local intelligence. The Jetson Nano Edge device provides speed, analyzing video locally in milliseconds, privacy, keeping video feeds local, and resilience, continuing to monitor during network outages. Only critical text alerts and short clips are transmitted. For Laundry Zone, the proactive security protocol instantly detects loitering, aggressive behavior, overnight sleeping, and vandalism. The shift is from watching footage of a break-in the next morning to intervening before damage occurs, triggered by an alert from the NeuClix Edge Reactor. We are implementing centralized operations and customer automation. Machine analytics use AI to predict bottlenecks. Wash and fold revenue is optimized with phone automation, cutting calls by 90%. Local triage automatically handles refund requests, missing equipment issues, and Google review generation. Enamored Cleaning faces the "ghost cleaning" threat. The challenge is managing 400+ accounts with a complex web of subcontractors. The vulnerability is verifying if subcontractors show up and complete the job without breaking contractor independence laws. The cost is potential lost commercial contracts and permanent reputation damage. Enamored Cleaning uses geo-verified accountability through a geofence net. Upon arrival, the cleaner pings a secure check-in link. The system verifies the timestamp, GPS location, and account ID, logging it to the dashboard. The failsafe triggers an instant alert if no ping occurs, indicating a potential missed service. The synthesis is one central command via a hub-and-spoke model. Laundry Zone data, including security alerts and machine telemetry, is combined with enamored cleaning data, such as geofence check-ins and B2B intel. The NeuClix Tactical Reactor distills millions of data points into a single unified alert feed, letting you manage the empire from the commander's seat. This is an operational paradigm shift. For security, we move from passively recording damage to proactive AI detection. For accountability, we shift from hoping contractors show up to geo-verified timestamp check-ins. For owner time, the shift is from endless driving to managing by exception via telegram from anywhere. The system provides business intelligence and cross-selling synergy. Automated prospecting intel scrapes data to provide optimized sales angles. Cross-pollination uses a unified CRM to flag Laundry Zone commercial wash/fold pitches for enamored cleaning clients needing linen washing. This unlocks new revenue by connecting existing data silos. Financial viability offers an immediate ROI. The investment is a one-time cost for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano hardware pilot and a monthly operations software subscription. The return includes preventing a single vandalism incident, retaining 1 commercial cleaning account, and recovering over 10 hours of executive travel time per week. The 4-phase deployment protocol starts with Phase 1 discovery, reviewing current architecture and workflows. Phase 2 is the Edge pilot, installing the Jetson Nano at 1 Laundry Zone and testing models. Phase 3 is cleaning operations, rolling out geo-verified check-ins for enamored cleaning contractors. Phase 4 is full command, deploying the centralized cloud dashboard and integrating B2B intel and cross-selling automations. As Jay Gelman says, "I want to be early, not left in the dust." The technology to completely centralize and protect your empire exists today. Let's stop managing reactively and put you back in the commander's seat. The next step is to approve Phase 1 discovery, the camera and network review.